Welcome back, loves. Today we're doing a hair detox, a hair reset to refresh our curls and revive our hair. But before we get into it, make sure you're already subscribed and turn on your post notifications so you never miss another video. Okay, so for today's detox, we're going to be using a clay DIY mix, more specifically bentonite and kaolin clay, of which I will get into more details when I'm making and applying the mix. Right now, I'm separating my hair into sections in preparation for cleaning my scalp. This helps with making the process more manageable for me, and I've basically been washing my hair like this for a while now. I'm using the Gold Series shampoo and I'll be going in only once for today's wash. And you want to be sure to really get in there with the pads of your fingers in a circular motion. Be careful not to cut your scalp with your nails, and if you get a little bored, put on some music and vibe with me because this just makes the process seem faster. Be sure to get your edges as well, especially if you normally use gel on your edges. Okay, I'm going to show you how I made this mix, and it's super simple. All you need is the clay. This is bentonite and kaolin, a bowl to mix in, apple cider vinegar, preferably the one that says with mother, some water, and a fork. Don't use a metal fork like me. Plastic in this case is better to preserve the clay's property. I used 1/3 of the clay, and when adding the vinegar it will get kind of foamy, but that's normal. A good consistency is when it's a little runny because it just applies better that way. You want to be sure that your hair is wet before applying the mask, and while I'm doing so, I'm just going to tell you guys the benefits of clay for your hair. So it helps to hydrate dry, flaking scalp because of its clarifying effects, helps with dandruff, strengthens the hair follicle, and also removes buildup. If you have highly sensitive scalp, you may want to patch test before applying to your entire head. So I'm just going to get any plastic bag I can find and let it sit for about 45 minutes. After letting it sit, it dried a little, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like before I rinse it out. Let me warn you that washing this out can get a little messy, so be prepared to do some cleaning afterwards. After rinsing, my hair felt so much better. And I'm going in with the Awesome Miracle Coils conditioner, and if you have natural hair, you know you shouldn't be using this sparingly. So I'm starting the detangling process on wet hair with conditioner. Starting from ends to root, you want to go ahead and use your wide tooth comb and be gentle, please. If a knot is too big, then start with your hands, separate the knot, and then start using the comb once more. Since I'm letting my hair air dry, I'll be using my coconut curling cream and my olive oil mix to moisturize my hair. I try to use a decent amount of the cream because it helps to keep my hair soft, and I use the oil on my hair and the scalp. If I don't use oil on my scalp, it starts to look dry and flaky, so I just use what works for me. For each section, I do that and put my hair in 2 braids. This helps to naturally stretch my hair. And after that, I'm going to put my hair all together with a scrunchie and just clean up. So it's a day later. I did my hair in a cute little perm rod high-pop style, and I was getting ready to film a video for you guys. If you know which one it is, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. So that's it, loves. Remember to subscribe and like as always. Stay safe. See you guys in the next one.
Do you remember?